Robot built to hunt bombs, detect deadly chemicals, and face explosive threats, without a human ever getting close. Meet the FLIR Cobra, the U.S. Army's high-tech lifeline in dangerous missions. The Army just bought 350 of these beasts, worth a whopping $110 million, all under the CRSH program. And here's why. This isn't just a robot. It's a multifunctional powerhouse designed for some of the most dangerous jobs. Weighing in at 166 to 250 kilograms, the FLIR Cobra moves like a tank with a top speed of 8 miles per hour and can operate for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But it's what's inside that makes it special. High-definition cameras, a 60 kilograms manipulator, and an ultra-secure remote control system give it the edge in explosive and hazardous environments. Whether it's bomb disposal, explosive detection, or scanning for chemical or radioactive threats, this robot does it all from a safe distance. And with its cybersecurity and interference protection, you can trust it to complete the mission, no matter what. Avar Cobra isn't just technology, it's a game-changer in making war zones safer for soldiers. They built a robot that can carry a wounded soldier like a firefighter through a war zone. But wait, this machine isn't just military. It might be the future of emergency rescue. Meet the Bear Robot, short for Battlefield Extraction Assist Robot. Created by the American company Vecna Technologies, this mechanical beast can lift up to 270 kilograms. That's like carrying a full-grown linebacker without breaking a sweat. And it doesn't stop there. The Bear can march long distances thanks to its powerful hydraulic system. Rugged terrain? No problem. It rolls forward with 2 sets of tracks that crush obstacles like a tank. The early versions were remote-controlled. Operators could see and hear through its onboard sensors, almost like becoming the robot. But now, the Bear has leveled up. The AI is smart, real smart. Tell it to go there or pick that up, and it gets to work. If it's confused, it asks for help. Yeah, it literally talks back. And with infrared night vision, optical cameras, and built-in microphones, this robot sees, hears, and moves like a high-tech rescue soldier. Not just a machine, a lifeline on legs. Is this the beginning of robotic heroes? Or the end of human rescuers? What if a robot could move like an animal, think like a soldier, and never back down? Enter the Vision 60 by Ghost Robotics, a 4-legged machine that's ready to conquer any terrain. Built for defense, homeland security, and even business, this robot isn't just smart, it's unstoppable. No matter the weather or environment, the Vision 60 powers through like it owns the ground beneath it. This beast weighs just 51 kilograms but can carry a 10-kilogram payload. One more? It's customizable, legs, arms, you name it. You can assemble or disassemble it in under 15 minutes. Fast, efficient, and built to adapt. And controlling it? Simple. Grab a gaming-style controller, and you're in charge. The Vision 60 can walk at 3 meters per second, that's sprinting speed, and it'll keep going for 3 hours or up to 10 kilometers on a single charge. 360-degree cameras? Of course. Front, back, sides. This robot sees it all, giving you the edge in any situation. It's more than a machine, it's a game changer. Imagine a swarm of tiny robots, crawling through caves, sneaking through cities, and spying without being seen. Sounds like sci-fi? It's not. It's the future of military reconnaissance. The U.S. Army Research Lab is teaming up with engineers and private industry to create autonomous mini-robots. These aren't toys. They're smart, stealthy, and built for survival. Think urban jungles, mountain trails, even pitch-black caves. These bots are designed to go where humans can't and live to send back the intel. One of the stars of this project? A spider-like scout robot. Yeah, a robot that moves like a spider, packed with sensors, standard cameras, and even thermal vision. These mini-machines will navigate on their own, dodge obstacles, and gather data in deadly zones, so soldiers don't have to. The future of warfare might just ride on 6 legs, and it's already crawling toward us. A 12-ton robot, a cannon, and a mission to fight other giant machines. This is Eagle Prime, America's answer to real-life robot combat. Built by Megabots, Eagle Prime was supposed to be pure entertainment until the US military started watching. But this metal monster might just become the future of mechanized warfare. It stands 5 meters tall, that's over 16 feet of steel and firepower, riding on a tracked platform like a tank with legs. Under the hood, a 6.2-liter V8 LS3 engine, pumping out 430 horsepower. It doesn't just walk, it rumbles into battle. The robot is piloted by 2 operators who showcased its power on an obstacle course. One controls movement, the other, weapon systems. Armed with a giant claw and a shoulder-mounted cannon, this $2.3 million beast was built for robot duels. But who says it couldn't dominate the battlefield one day? Eagle Prime isn't just a robot, it's a walking, roaring symbol of the future. What if you could lift 200 pounds, and it felt like a backpack? Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Introducing the Guardian Exo, a full-body robotic exoskeleton built by Sarcos Robotics. It's not just gear, it's superhuman strength in a suit. With this beast strapped on, you can lift up to 90 kilograms, but to the wearer, it feels like just 5. No sweat, no strain, just raw power. The US military saw this and said one thing: we want it. This exoskeleton moves like a second skin. It's got 24 degrees of freedom, flexible, smooth, and surprisingly fast. Walking speed? 1.3 meters per second. And don't worry about power. The built-in battery lasts 2 hours, and when it runs out, just swap it in seconds. No tools. No waiting. Putting it on? Just takes a few seconds. Training? Minutes. Anyone can become a heavy lifting machine in no time. Here's the twist: you don't carry the robot. The robot carries you. Even though it weighs around 70 kilograms, you barely feel a thing. This isn't sci-fi. This is real. And it could change how we fight wars, or how we work in the toughest jobs on Earth. It walks like an animal, hauls like a machine, and refuses to fall, even on ice. Meet Big Dog, Boston Dynamics' 4-legged robot that redefined what machines can do in the wild. Built to carry heavy gear across the roughest terrain, Big Dog is more than a robot. It's a mechanical mule with incredible balance, powered by next-level dynamic stabilization. Rocks? Snow? Big Dog doesn't care. Its flexible, hydraulic legs adapt to any surface, keeping it upright even when kicked or slipping. It's fast. It's stable. And it can haul serious weight, making it a lifesaver for missions in places where wheels just don't work. But here's where it gets wild. Big Dog has about 50 onboard sensors. They track balance, joint movement, engine speed, temperature, and hydraulic pressure, all in real time. Its onboard computer controls everything, from joint force to walking speed and altitude. This isn't remote-controlled guessing, it's intelligent motion on 4 legs. Big Dog doesn't just move, it thinks while it walks. And that makes it one of the most advanced walking robots ever built. It rolls. It floats. It spies. And it might just be the most unusual drone you've never heard of. Meet GuardBot, a spherical surveillance machine designed by the US Marine Corps. This isn't your average drone. It doesn't fly. It glides over water and crushes rough terrain. At first glance, it looks like a rolling ball. But inside? High-tech guts, cameras, sensors, and even chemical detectors. All sealed tight in a watertight shell. It was dropped into a lake, swam like a pro, crawled onto land, and came back, all by itself. On water, it cruises at 6.5 kilometers per hour. On land, it speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour, as long as the slope stays under 30 degrees. So how does it move? No wheels. No legs. Instead, it shifts its center of gravity, rocking back and forth inside to roll itself forward. Genius. Powered by Eagle Pitcher batteries, this robot can run 18 hours straight. It's nearly silent. It can wait in place, then strike on command. And it works in 2 modes, remote-controlled or fully autonomous. Whether it's detecting bombs, sniffing chemicals, or just watching silently, GuardBot is the future of stealth surveillance. And it's already rolling into reality. This robot is a military powerhouse on wheels and tracks. Meet the T-360M2M, an American-made tactical vehicle with a twist. It's remotely controlled and ready for battle. This beast isn't just a robot. It's a multifunctional machine that adapts to any mission. Available in wheeled and tracked versions, the T360M2M is a hybrid drive monster designed to carry heavy payloads and get the job done on any terrain. After a string of successful tests, the U.S. Marine Corps said, "We need this." And they got it. The platform is ready for anything. Machine guns? A 60mm mortar? You bet. Or maybe you need it as a transport vehicle, carrying 433 kilograms of equipment, evacuating wounded soldiers, or even launching drones for surveillance. It runs for up to 72 hours, covering 100+ km, all autonomously. That's 3 days of non-stop operation with no human input. This robot isn't just reinforcing the military strength, it's changing how wars are fought. Ready for the future? The T360M2M is.